Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by grabbing the YouTube URL and placing it in PowerPoint. This ensures the video is reachable. Once the slide is open, select the exact text, image, or shape you want to act as the trigger because that defines where viewers click. Then use Insert Link or press Ctrl+K and paste the copied address. This creates a clickable link. Make sure the display text or tooltip is clear so viewers know it opens a video. Next, decide how the video should behave. If you want a simple link that opens in a browser, the hyperlink you created is fine. It's lightweight and reliable. For inline playback, use Insert Video Online Video and paste the URL or embed code so the player appears on the slide. Once the frame is placed, resize and choose playback settings on Click automatically or play across slides to control timing and viewer experience. This step shapes the viewing flow. Finish by testing in Slide Show mode on the actual computer you'll present from, because that verifies network and permissions. If the video won't play, make sure there's internet access and the URL or embed code is correct, and check browser or firewall restrictions that can block YouTube. If embedding is blocked, consider downloading the video with permission or include a screenshot and clear link as a fallback. One quick test, and you'll avoid surprises during your presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.